प्रणाम सर बोले हमारे सवाल प्रवीर सर मिंटो सर दोनों सर है कि आज के टाइम पर जखन यंग प्रोफेशनल के हमसे बात करी छी द क्रिटिकल स्किल सेट जे सॉफ्ट के अंदर डेवलप करे की जरूरत है स्पेशली जखन हम बात करी छी मैथिल या अपन कम्युनिटी के क्रिटिकल स्किल सेट आ सबके हिसाब से कि जे हम सब के डेवलप करे के चाहिए दो तीन में पहला अगर हम इंटरप्रेन्योर जर्नी पर छिए हम अपन खुद के बिजनेस करे छिए तो कौन टाइप के स्किल सेट डेवलप करी अगर हम करियर पाथ पर छिए अगर हम जॉब करे छिए केपीएमजी डेलॉयट एनी फार्मास्यूटिकल कंपनी एनीथिंग वहां हमरा सबके कौन स्किल सेट डेवलप करे के जरूरत है ये सवाल
हम प्रयास करब संक्षिप्त में आगे So first thing is, irrespective of whether you are an entrepreneur or you are a professional employee, you cannot even get started to talk about that till you get your fundamentals right. Our personal view is that is the biggest crisis. Fundamentals are not strong because everyone wants self gratification. They will jump for that 1,000 rupees more. They want a better title. The basic skills on which you build the superstructure, that is weak in any life. I have worked across the spectrum and I can tell you that's the biggest issue. When you get your fundamental strong, okan upar mein aap layer kar with something still better. So that is one of the technical or functional side, and without that you cannot be counted. If I don't know let us say the world of HR, my fundamentals, you will not even invite me to speak. Right? You got to know your onions well. Janab kahavat hai, you got to know your onions well. Lekin dosa je important है because last 5 years I have turned an entrepreneur. I gave up my so-called halo corporate life. It's a tough decision to be an entrepreneur. There are many in the room who are entrepreneurs. I can tell you, being in the bureaucracy or being a civil servant was easy. Yeah, clearing UPSC was very tough. But once you cleared first shot, then life takes on. I left after 10 years. You get into the corporate, you have got a blue chip MBA from a top place. God was kind. You went and did some of the biggest jobs in my life. And you said, I'm bored. Kyaki, what Pinto said, beyond the point you're not chasing just money. Money will come. And how much money do you need actually to run a house? Anyone, how much money do you need? The entrepreneurship leg, now that 5 years that I did, and one of the things that I mentioned to both people who want to be entrepreneurs or who want to be top-notch professionals, learn to lead a life of convictions, not consequences. Here's some call. Learn to lead a life of convictions, not consequences. अपन यदि मूल strong नहीं हुए, like entrepreneurship led, there will be failure. I was earning $1 million as an employee. Now first year you're not even earning a crore of rupees. You just wonder, कहाँ से मैं कहाँ पहुँच गया? You know, till that time anyone you could say, हाँ ये कर दो, वो कर दो. Now you have to do your ticket booking. You have to. I've done it. That's why you know. Right? It is very different. So, softer dimensions become very important, both for profession and this, and I'll just give you a flavor. As you start climbing higher, the more senior you become, and I hope you'll agree, less becomes the emphasis on your functional skills. Kyaki, you will have younger, smarter people better than you, who will do better because technology is different, they have learned more, you have got dated. लेकिन अहाँ के softer skills become non-negotiable and the differentiator. जेना अहाँ entrepreneur रहो या अहाँ middle to senior like C-suite, you know, at the top level. Are you strategic in your thinking? Do I know everything of HR better than someone with 10 years experience? The answer is no, because it's not relevant. But can I think 10 steps ahead of him? That is what I am paid for. अहाँ के resilience की age, setback है professionally also as an entrepreneur. You have resilience. You use the word collaboration. It sounds very simple. One of the biggest Doctor, I do a lot of coaching. Biggest challenges I find is two good people don't know how to collaborate with each other. And no one is a genius in himself or herself. The softer dimensions of dealing with ambiguity, collaboration, resilience, ability to communicate. You cannot communicate only to people, you have to learn to communicate with people. To or with के but difference हो है. These dimensions become very important to be either a successful entrepreneur, that you will get alignment, stakeholders, people will also say चलो इस बार गलती हो गई. Are you willing to be vulnerable? Right? Same for so start years में आपके functional competence but basic important हुई है. But beyond, let us say 10-12 साल sir, if you are not good at softer skills, in fact I say softer skills are harder skills, right? You must be a master of that. Without being mastery of soft skills, you cannot be a great entrepreneur. You cannot be a C-suite executive. That is my personal concern.
Really agree. आपको सुनने के बाद I don't think मुझे कुछ बोलने की जरूरत है, but I'll just add 2-3 I think skills. One is anyone who's starting their journey. I think if I say I don't know whether it's contradictory, but you should learn to fail. I think that's the first skill you should acquire, and not be hesitant of failing. Because you cannot achieve excellence or success without failure. So learn from those failures. So always be comfortable not knowing many things. Not necessarily you can be expert in every area. So that's the first skill. Be comfortable without knowing anything. I think that's the first skill I think you should acquire. Praveer sir mentioned, obviously, you need to have excellence in what you do. Create that functional expertise and all of that in early stage of the career. But I think KPMG CEO once he told me, because when I asked this question, what is one skill which is needed when you reach, maybe when you become CEO? And he gave me, and still I clearly remember, he said, only networking skill, how strong network you have, whether it's a professional person or any, if you have a strong network, if you have command on that, if people know you very well, and that's why when Praveer sir said, there are maybe 5 lakh followers on LinkedIn, and I think I'm sure if I look at Sir journey, it might have been a little easier for him because what he achieved before starting Praveer Academy, because he had all those networks available. So anyone will start, for example, if I say introducing an academy, maybe it's going to be much difficult for me to start that journey. So network is a very critical skills, and obviously praised all Praveer talked about that softer aspects, good communicator, how you convey your message, and I think always work with empathy, be a good human being, work with heart, and I think you will do excellence. Try to become a good human being in the professional world. Don't try to go take shortcuts and all. I think you might find, for the limited time happiness, but in long run you will feel something, has gone wrong. So be proud what you are doing. I think if you can, and all the young professionals can follow this, I think success is guaranteed, or closer to the guaranteed.
Thank you.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। श्याम जी के क्वेश्चन श्री श्याम जी कुछ